Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Genius DIY. For years, I thought garlic always had to dry out or sprout after a few weeks, but recently I discovered some simple storage tricks that can keep garlic fresh for months, and some methods can even help it last close to a year. And honestly, they work surprisingly well. Garlic is one of the most important ingredients in everyday cooking. We use it for stir-fries, soups, marinades, meat dishes, and sauces. It adds aroma, improves flavor, and helps remove strong smells from food. That's why many people buy garlic in large amounts. But if it's not stored properly, it quickly becomes dry, soft, or starts sprouting. Today, I'll show you several easy methods to store garlic the right way and a few fast tricks to peel garlic in seconds. Let's get started. Before storing garlic, choosing good garlic is very important. When buying garlic, avoid bulbs with damaged or missing outer skin. The skin acts like a natural protective layer. It helps lock in moisture and protects the garlic from bacteria and air. If the skin is already peeled off, the garlic inside usually spoils much faster. Fresh, firm, and dry garlic will always store better. First, separate the garlic cloves and peel them completely. Place the peeled garlic into a clean glass jar. Next, add a little salt and a few chili peppers if you like extra flavor. This step is optional. Then, pour in white vinegar or white alcohol until the garlic is fully covered. Close the lid tightly and gently shake the jar. After that, store it in the refrigerator. Do not leave it at room temperature because moisture can cause mold to develop. This method keeps garlic fresh for around 4 months and works great with grilled foods, noodles, or fried dishes. Place whole garlic bulbs into a food storage bag. Now, prepare a small moisture absorber. Take a paper towel, add some baking soda, and a small amount of dried tea leaves. Wrap it tightly and secure it with a rubber band. Place this packet inside the garlic bag. Press out the air and seal the bag tightly. Tea leaves and baking soda both help absorb moisture, which slows down sprouting. Finally, hang the bag in a cool, dry, and ventilated place. With this method, garlic can stay fresh for up to 6 months without drying out or sprouting. This method is simple but very effective. Place a few garlic bulbs inside your rice container and cover them lightly with rice. Rice naturally stays dry, which helps prevent garlic from absorbing moisture. At the same time, garlic contains a strong natural compound that helps repel insects, like rice weevils. So both ingredients help protect each other. Even after several months, the garlic is much less likely to sprout. Separate the garlic cloves and remove any soft or spoiled pieces. Then place the healthy garlic into an airtight container. Seal the lid tightly after every use. This reduces exposure to moisture, air, and light, which helps slow down sprouting and keeps garlic fresh much longer. It's simple, clean, and very convenient for daily cooking. Now let's talk about something many people dislike: peeling garlic. Sometimes just a few cloves can take several minutes, and the smell stays on your hands all day. Here are some easy tricks to make peeling garlic much faster. Separate the garlic bulb into cloves. Place the cloves into a clean glass jar or bottle, filling it only halfway. Close the lid tightly and shake hard for about 30 seconds. As the garlic hits the sides of the jar, the skins loosen naturally. Open the jar, and most of the peels will already be separated. This method is perfect when you need to peel a large amount quickly. Spread garlic cloves on a plate without stacking them. Microwave on medium heat for about 30 seconds. The gentle heat loosens the skin, making it much easier to remove. Just squeeze the cloves lightly, and the peel comes right off. Very useful when you're in a hurry. Cut off the root end of the garlic. Then gently press or tap it a few times with the side of a knife. The skin loosens immediately, and the cloves separate easily. This method works great, and you only need 1 or 2 cloves for cooking. For hard-to-peel garlic, use the edge of a plastic bottle cap. Gently press against the garlic skin and pull slightly. The peel pops off surprisingly easily. It's quick, simple, and helps avoid irritation on your hands.
Place garlic cloves into a bowl of warm water, around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. The warm water softens the outer skin, making peeling much easier. The garlic also stays whole and doesn't get crushed. This method is excellent when preparing large amounts for cooking. Place garlic cloves into a basket and cover it with another basket on top. Hold them tightly together and shake for about 20 seconds. The friction loosens the dry skins naturally. After shaking, most of the garlic will already be peeled. Fast, clean, and very effective for large batches. So those are some simple but useful garlic storage and peeling tricks you can try at home. Which method do you think is the most practical? If you have your own garlic tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Genius DIY for more useful kitchen and home tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.